Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are right here in Baguio City, Philippines. Foods! Street
So
foods!
what happened here, guys, is my sister keep on asking how much is he
Street
selling
foods
his
in Bonaparte.
cut fruits or whatever it's called, and he's not telling. So they just bought, and they don't know that after when they start eating and they already have them in a hand. And he said,
Picture!
one piece is 80 or 120 or something, I don't know, but it was very expensive actually. But they should tell how much, and then they start cutting the fruit, so at least you know how much to pay, right?
Ya, kapag bayaran tidak. Iya.
Ito na eh. Maagya na pag-eta na dak ng feeling. So ito. Na-scam daw sila sa prutas. Kasi ang mahal, hindi kasi sinabi kung magkano. Na? Na-scam kayo. Hala? Nangingi na pa yung pamasahe. Nangingi na pa yung pamasahe. Naglakad ito.
Ngayon, gusto ko ba?
Boat ride po. Saan dito nih? Yes, boat ride. Wait lang.
Kung anim kayo mga kasagwan, 300 lang po. Yan na yun lang. Pwede ano?
Ada dyan.
Tanong makinwalit siya.
Ada hinatungtong dan. Napaspas da. Bobo's boat rental ko na.
May tagasagwan kayo.
Agbatiak lang. I'm not coming. I'm staying. Agbatiak ito'y. Agbatiak ito ta. Bidbidyuan kayo picturean ah.
Ganun yung may tagasagwan? 300 kasama na tagasagwan.
Pag walang tagasagwan, ako na lang. 200.
Magaling tayo magsagwan, di ba?
Nalimag.
Kuna lang
Kanadasa ka na mo magsagwan.
kuna lang tagasagwan.
Oo, marunong. Kami lahat marunong. Walang taga-apayaw na hindi marunong. Na hindi marunong lumangoy. There they go.
Malimak, ilo, kimari, magkisukan.
Supaya.
Kunin ko na lang po yun. Medyo gitna lang po. Adik ko dito. Yung bata ko. Kanina ako kunin tayo.
Mamaya na. Hindi naman yung tatakbo eh. Ha?
Nililis na kasi.
Magkano ba yung bayad nila? 250?
Ayun naman.
Baya mo na. Baya mo, libre tayo. Say cheers!
Sagwan sa kanan lang, Sen. Baliktad, babaliktad. Yan, kanan.
Lulululu.
Sige, kanan.
Ala, baliktad, baliktad.
Sige, kanan. Yan, sige, kanan.
Oy, baliktad, baliktad.
Kanan. Sabay na.
Sabay. Kapag ganyan na, magkabanggahan na.
Pakitingin yung mga bata, ha? Kaliwa naman, kaliwa.
Oo.
Kaliwa.
Maghalikan na, oh.
Sabay na, sir. Sabay.
Sabay.
Sabay mo na. Sir, straight mo yung paa mo.
Straight daw paa. Yes.
Yung paa mo para di tamaan ang tuhod.
Ah.
Alam mo na. Oh, sige. Kaliwa naman, kaliwa muna para dumiretso. Siyempre, ayaw niya naman kasi balikan po tayo, ayaw niya naman.
Pwede dito, lima.
Ilang oras yan? Isang oras? 30 minutes lang? Hoy! 30 minutes lang! Baka hindi kayo makarating sa gitna.
Come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No walls they built can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the limits, take flight. We'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars. With every step we take, we'll lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust. No horizons waiting for us, because we are made to go beyond. I won't forget where I came from. I'll use my best to build a future. Keep moving forwards, go beyond what they call impossible. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No walls they built can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the limits, take flight. We'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars. With every step we take, we lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust. Go beyond expectations and dreams, to be stronger, to push harder than before. It's a time for change. We're standing on the edge of grace. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can't be done. Let's go beyond, 'cause every step we take will lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust. No horizons waiting for us, because we were made to go beyond, go beyond.
Alright everyone, once again this is your host Miss RG saying thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.